Hello, welcome to the students of class 9th. Good morning. I am Elsie Madam. Our subject is Social Science. Today is our second day of this week. Today I am continuing the same chapter of economics. Chapter 2. Topic name is People as Resource. Yesterday, we already explained about the introduction or overviews. From the introduction part, it is very clear that what is known as GNP or what is the importance of education and health facilities. Today, I am going to explain about the economic activities of man and woman. Repeating the topic, economic activities of man and woman. Yes, the various activities have been classified into three main sectors. All the activities of the economy is divided into three main sectors of economy. That is, first one, primary. Second, secondary. Third, tertiary. So what I mean by the primary sector? Primary sector includes agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry farming, mining and quarry. Primary sector is also called as agriculture sector. And second sector is also known as manufacturing sector. What is the other name of secondary sector? It is manufacturing. It included in the secondary sector, that is trade, transport, communication, etc. Banking, education, health, tourism service, insurance are included in the tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is also called as service sector. So, once again listen. Primary sector is also known as agriculture sector. Secondary sector is known as manufacturing sector. Tertiary sector is also known as service sector. Example of primary sector is forestry, animal husbandry, mining, fishing, etc. Secondary sector or manufacturing sector example is producing something, cotton textile, sugar industry, etc. Tertiary sector, it does not produce by itself anything, but it gives services to other two sectors. That is why the other name of tertiary sector is known as service sector. I hope the sectors of the economy is clear for you. Next topic comes under this is economic activities. What is economic activities? Economic activities have divided into two parts, market activities and non-market activities. I repeat, economic activity is divided into two, market activities and non-market activities. Market activities involves remuneration to anyone who performs or he activity performed by pay or profit. The person is getting something as money or as his profit. That comes under market activities. Next one, non-market activities are the production for self-consumption. That commodities are not reached into the market, that we are using for our own self-consumption. Here, one more topic comes in this point is known as division of labor. division of labor. Due to the historical or cultural reason, there is a division of labor between men and women in the family. Women always have a look after the domestic work and men work in the field. We have a strong belief that woman has to do the household work or bringing the water, washing the utensils, washing the clothes, etc. And men will do the outside work. That concept was existing in our culture. That is known as division of labor. And we can solve all these problems with the help of education. Education helps individual to make a better use of the economic opportunities available before him. Education and skill are the major determinants of the earning of any individual in the market. If you are educated, your position in the society also will increase, and if you have a good knowledge or your technical capacity is high, automatically you are getting more appreciation, more respect in the society. All the organized sector, teaching or medicine attract the most. Every organized sectors, you are getting the employment opportunities, and wherever is possibilities are there, you can take the appointment because of your education will help you. I hope today's topic is clear, and as usual, our homework is find out 7 short answer type question. Not very short answer, short answer type questions, not exceeding the words 50. At least 30 to 50 words should be there. Like that, 7 short answer type question is the homework of today. Have a nice day. Thank you.